is going to be really, really shaky because he drives fast. We literally have...
No one's seen my beautiful face.
No one's seen my beautiful face.
Oh shit, cameras.
Yeah. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mazza. So, first thing I'm going to say is sorry that I haven't posted anything in a while. But I'm back and videos will be going up. So, the video you're just about to watch is Randonautica. I'm joined with my brother and my sister. My brother doesn't want to be on camera, so the white marks that are on my video is my brother with his face blurred, whited out. Pretty much it's his whole body, to be fair. But I'm not going to ramble on, I'm just going to let you guys watch it. As I say, it is my brother and my sister's first time doing it. But yeah, I'm going to let you guys watch it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to put my sister's YouTube in the link. I will get my words out. I'm going to leave my sister's YouTube link in the description so you can go over and see her version as well, because my sister was also recording. I'm using a new camera as well, so please bear with the sound of the auto-focusing on it. I am going to get a better mic to go along so you guys don't hear that. So yeah, that's enough of me talking. Into the video. Yep. Yeah, then. So yeah, first intent, haunted, 5 minutes away. Oh Jesus Christ. Yep, mine's saying left too. Bloody thing. So yeah,
nearly there guys.
4 minutes down the road. This is going to be really, really shaky because he drives fast.
Well, it says 4 minutes.
So the Randonautica today.
In like 1 minute, sorry guys.
Yeah, that's true. So the Randonautica actually today is going to be done with my sister and my brother. Jamie's not going to be in the camera. He doesn't want to be on the camera, so he will be behind scenes. Or if he does end up in the shots, his face will be blurred. No. So yeah, it will be blurred if he ends up being in it. So, but we literally have.
No one's seen my beautiful face.
No one's seen my beautiful face. 3 minutes drive.
3 minutes, let's go.
As soon as we get there, start you back up.
Sound for yours.
Yep. So,
peace. It seems like it's taking us.
We are actually, literally, when it focuses, at the point, pretty much. But as you can see, it's allotments.
Yeah.
No, that's
I don't know if it's going to focus or not. Come on, focus. Yeah, so we're going to have to try and generate a new one. So let's generate a new one.
Hang on.
So 2 seconds.
Can you imagine it bringing us back there? Oh my god.
Okay, so generating a new
point.
point.
Back there soon, guys, so you'll find out.
Alright, let's generate a new point because that one was a bust.
Yes, unfortunately.
So let's go back. Right, so what's the intent for this one?
Scary.
Scary.
Yeah.
Okay. So
gonna make sense.
Yep. So generating. No.
I'll have to believe.
This is what takes time. So scary.
Yeah.
Scary, scary, scary.
Dress.
Scary, scary, scary. Okay, we got one.
People are gonna look at us and think, what the hell are we doing?
Craigside Industrial Estate.
She smiled.
Right.
This is my first
Unit
time out here.
4,
guys.
Thames Road. So the estate, so it's an industrial estate though.
We'll have to try and do a different
Right, let's try
area.
do
Yeah, because it's just going into industrial estate. You're not going to do
yeah.
anything in
Alright,
there.
let me put this up to 2 mile again. Right.
Just do it up to 6 miles, because not being funny, that said this one was 2 miles. That was less than 2 miles.
Yeah, it was.
6.
Easily less than 2 miles.
Bear with us, guys.
Alright. 6 miles, tractor,
Scary.
Scary, scary, scary. Come on.
It's taking its time, guys.
Big time taking its time.
Yes.
Still going.
We should play.
Manifest,
We can't play a bit of music in the background because.
Oh my
You get
god.
copyrighted
Yeah.
with it.
We might have to do a different one because this is
What?
Dagenham.
Fucking hell, yeah, it's a bit far.
But it's a bit far over like the other side as well, as the other side of the water. So, nope. This is the boring part, is why a lot of people will generate it, cut all of this out, because this does take time. You can be sat there for about 5-10 minutes
Yeah.
trying to generate a point.
Yep.
No, don't surprise me.
No. So, come on.
Come on. You'll make a poopy pants.
Scary, scary,
Scary,
scary. Keeps taking us across the fucking water. Scary.
Do it a little bit less then.
Scary, scary, scary.
Do it less than 6.
Do 5.
Do 4.
Do 3.
Do 4.
Let's see
Do
where this
4 and
one
a
takes.
half.
Meet in the middle.
Yeah, meet in the middle.
4.25.
Did you put that?
No.
Oh.
Ah, here goes.
That's
And-
literally like 2 miles, to be honest.
Yeah, and this is
Maybe
ooh, scary. Okay, this one's in the water, but we won't be going in the water.
Let's have a look.
So it's literally. No, you're not going to be able to see it on that. I'll have to screenshot it and put it
Yeah.
up. Yeah, so it's all in like the marsh bits.
Sorry, Jay, I got you a bit.
As long as you get my face out of it. But, postcode.
Beep, 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 beep.
N.
N.
Yeah, N for November.
Nope. No N.
Because there looks like there's an abandoned there as well. I'm not gonna lie. Right, hold on. Let me try and get it up on my maps. Let me put.
You
Right, it's brought it up on mine. And guess what? I've got 3 drop pins for abandoned places in this bit as well. Look. It says 3 abandoned places here, so this
right,
might
we'll
be a good one.
start it.
So scary was our intent anyway. Right, put in. Oh, that's you.
'Cause I won't be there for you like I was before.
Right, what is the postcode to this? Right.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, go on.
Stop recording, didn't you? Yeah.
Yes.
I don't even know if mine is still.
There.
That'll take us to women's fitness, and then we can park up somewhere,
and then walk.
and then we'll be walking.
17 minutes. We'll see about that.
That's not bad. So 17 minutes drive.
25 minutes past it
Okay,
says.
we've
So,
got 17 minutes
be back.
till
I think.
our next location, so we will be back then.
Hopefully it brings something up this time.
Yes.
Hopefully it'll bring something up.
We've got something, so we'll be back.
Well, I've got 3 abandoned places that I have pinned that is within the area of where
That is.
Rando is sending us. So hopefully we will actually have a bit of footage for you on this one. So we will be back. Peace. Right guys, so just got to where we need to go. There's a big teddy bear. Oh. Look.
Yeah, see it. It's a fucking thing.
Right. What way do we walk?
Straight on.
You reckon straight on?
Okay, we're here now, guys. We're following this one in front.
So literally just got to follow it all the way down.
I ain't getting sun today, thank you.
Hiking. Yeah. Might be. Sorry guys. There's a few bits around here though. What's that?
I don't know, I don't really want to walk over in that deep crap roof diesel.
Yeah, no. You can.
You should have seen what me and Dan walked through. Well, that's a massive mattress. It's a mattress, yep. A load of burnt stuff. And smashed glass. Hmm? She didn't know how to zoom.
Sorry guys, I'm getting
So,
used
yes,
to this because I'm not...
So as you can see, my brother is up there, but I will be taking his face off because he doesn't want to be on video. So yeah, let's go. So literally in the middle, pretty much nowhere really.
So...
He's wandered off, look. He's all the way up there, look. You good?
Yes!
I'm looking. Oh, look, truck stop. A load of trucks loaded up here. Still carry on walking. Got a major truck stop. Look at that. All the trucks. Huh. Oh. The size of some of these tyres in the middle, look. Someone's horny! Some nice pallets. So yeah, the intent that we are actually using is... Wait, what's the intent, Jay? Scary. So, as I say, I've got a couple of abandoned places logged on my maps, as I've said already. And we're going to go check them out as well. So, yeah, let me check my phone, find out where we are. Just looks like nothing at the moment, just fumes. Right. I think it's over there, I think.
No, just...
I think it's over there, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, look, so we've got to follow the path. Point is literally in with these lot here. So the point is here. So that's where we are. We're down here. So if we follow this path round and up, we should be alright.
No, zoom out.
Oh, zoom out, not in.
Might be able to actually
Drive up there.
drive.
Can you?
Looks like roads.
It's all paths. No, it's paths. Because it's marshland. Because there's a couple of other abandoned buildings. There's some more abandoned buildings that I didn't even notice. That's that way though. That's a path. That's a path. Swanscombe Island, you've got these. And then there's these buildings here as well that are abandoned by the looks of it.
So,
I think it's only like 2 minutes walk. So if we follow this path here...
that's
Yeah.
if it ain't too overgrown.
If it ain't overgrown.
Yeah.
Well, dog walkers have been down here, so...
Oh, it's muddy.
Janie's wearing new shoes.
I've got these on.
What have you got on?
I've got...
Oh, you've got like... Oh! Shit, oh, my foot slipped then. Got like suede stuff.
We have a toe caps on.
Mm.
I took them out of the car. My ones. Yeah, I took the toe, still toe caps.
Right.
To be honest, it's not muddy.
We've
so...
still got a bit of a walk to do. So what I'm actually going to do is save my battery, and when we get a bit more closer. Oh, okay, yeah.
Again.
Once we get a bit closer, I'll pull you back out again and start filming again. But Jay's just gone up there. He's just checking that up there. So hopefully. Anything?
Nah.
No?
It shoots off that way.
Shoots off that way.
Yeah,
so we need to try.
But
So
it is looking a bit
got to
overgrown.
go there, but
Sorry, go round.
I know, I realised. Yeah, it looks a bit. I'm just checking quickly. Ah? There's a road! Let me have a...
Down the road for Wakanda.
That's because we've gone off path. We need to carry up that way. So we actually do need, where you said about that goes off round to the right, we need to carry on going up that bit, look.
So you know the turning?
Because this is the road here.
We was here.
We've got to go along the road, so we've got to follow this path up. So we can go that way, because look, if you...
Right, so does that not continue?
So we've come across something that looks
Could just be overgrown shit though. Or a mound.
like some bits of...
Looks like a mound.
Let's go under.
Seems like at one point there might have been a stream coming through here.
Yeah, it looks like there could have been a stream there. Well, over there. Where? Where? What post? Don't say no trespassing or anything.
Right, I'm
Or,
going to go to it down here.
yeah, go for a toilet down there. But that over there is where we've got to go. So we need to go back out.
What, to the pylon?
Is there a pylon?
About that.
Oh, yeah.
Go through it, Mike, because I'm going right behind you.
Pylon.
Well, make sure you tell us where it is, because I don't want to step in it.
I'm going to stop you while she's having a wee. So this is what we've just found. And we've also noticed this looks like it's all been caved in. Strangely. Let's have a butcher's round. Yeah, because look how that slab is. That slab's long. A long slab. It looks like it definitely is something. Right, let's have a look at what this is quickly. Let's have a butcher's at what this is, shall we?
Yeah, we're at the wall.
Oh, you're around there? She's got round. Hey! So yeah, let's have a look. Look at that.
This is where the gun was.
Yeah, it's a lookout post.
Lookout post, yeah.
Yeah.
We've got a big beast over there.
Yeah.
There's actually another building just there
Oh, yeah.
as well.
But that looks like no pedestrian right of way down there on that. This is definitely where the gun was mounted because you can see the axle points for it.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, these here. So you got one over there,
See the axle points.
one
for
there,
it.
Oh, yeah.
and one there,
Oh, yeah.
where the gun was.
Would have been mounted, wouldn't it,
Yeah.
on top?
Right here. And obviously that way, you've got the sea that way.
Seats
So
all down there, yeah.
that was what it'll be protecting.
Jesus.
Yeah, man.
Because you've got the, ain't that like the old oil?
Something like that,
Whee! I just nearly stacked it. Let's quickly have a look at this one. These, I think, are actually the ones that I said that were abandoned. Points. Yeah. Yeah, but we did leave quite late. So that's the first abandoned place that I had mapped on there anyway, so we ain't got to worry about that. But apparently our intent is just up here. So let's have a butcher's.
Up there?
Let's see if we've got anything. Yeah, I think up here. Let's have a look. Well, there's the water, and there looks like there's something sticking out of the water there. Wow. Look at that for a view. What a view. Wow. Right. Let's quickly go and have a look at what the hell that is. They've been around here with a bike by the looks of it. With quads. But that's definitely something over there. So our intent was actually scary. So to be fair, it doesn't look very scary to me. Yeah, it's sank over there, yeah. But it looks like there's sank that's been burnt down on the ground up here. But this is all. What is that?
Copper.
It's all copper.
Yeah, it's all copper.
But it's running there, look.
Yeah. You run into it, it's probably still something over it. Oh no, these are not copper.
There's no copper, that's like...
These are electrical wires. They're electrical wires.
Electrical wires?
Yeah. It's all like that. Just over there, there's another building just there.
Yeah, just there. There's another building. Scary. There's another building just there.
Down that way to get to that.
Yeah, so there's something. Now zoom in a little bit. Something just there.
We've got another abandoned.
Looks like there's something there.
Let's go and have a look down
Let's
there.
have a look at this, and then we'll grab the car, I suppose, see if we can come back.
No, we'll
Just walk over there.
Straight,
Yeah.
It's only there, so but then that'll be the last one because I want to get back to the car just to
Yep.
check everything.
Yep. No, of course. So our intent is scary. There's not anything scary because this is the location. This is where our point is.
The scariest part about it was Kirsty taking a piss.
Yeah, the scariest part about it.
Wait.
You taking a wee. What?
Literally, I was there, and he was saying look.
Right.
What?
You're near electrical wires.
Yeah, we
They're
are
all
near electrical wires.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, debunked. But no, he was saying look. He was saying low, and then he would go back on green.
Right,
Then it says look.
Come closer to it.
So yeah, the battery is starting to run out. That's what they're saying. It's starting to run out, but it's not completely dead. But
No.
it is on its way out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all that is. Just saying that it is on its way out.
That and not fucking.
There could still be interference from those electrical wires.
Electrical wires, yeah.
Yeah.
But it was still copper. It's just copper electrical wires. So.
No, I do not want to talk to you. What is that sticking out over there?
I don't know, but look, there's something old of it here.
Yeah.
This is old. This is going to be old bunkers because that drops.
Yeah.
Is this around this?
Yeah. And this is supposed to be scary.
It's an old fucking bridge. This is an old bridge.
No bridge.
There's no bridge. Look,
Oh,
you can see
yeah.
the path go to there, and it
Yeah.
cuts off there.
So. Oh wow! Look at that. This must have been an old. What the hell is that? Oh yeah. Ducks.
So this would be all part of the old bridge.
So this is part of the old bridge. Yeah, look.
Look, you see it all there.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at that, guys. An old bridge.
Unsafe structure.
Well, yeah, not surprised.
Oh shit, cameras.
Oh my god!
Oh god, guys.
Yeah, that's just for that side. That's the whole fencing. We're on the other side of the fence.
So we just sent the alarms going. That was a bit scary, but yeah. The scary thing. Scary intent for Randonautica. That scared us. I was just like, run! But we still didn't even check out what that was over there.
If you two were faster than me, you would have just fucked off and left me there. Thanks.
Well, I would have been on my arse. Oh, that did scare me. Yeah. So
Why did you go off when we was walking up to it?
I don't know.
Jinx.
Jesus.
We'll probably have security come up in a minute.
Yeah, reckon security will probably come up in a minute.
If they come, we just say we walked through and we didn't see it.
We're not all dyslexic.
We're not all dyslexic. Hang on it. Well, we've got nothing. I'm sorry.
Can I lick your windows?
Oh God. Funny.
Well, are we going to look at the building or should we just...
Because of that, I'd say just
Say head back, yeah. So there is another abandoned building up there, but we'll look at that another day. Because of that alarm, security probably going to be on their way very, very shortly.
So we'll pick it up when we're in the car to do our next
Well,
one, and yeah.
crazy.
That camera's actually pointing right at us.
But anyway, we're gonna, yeah, I know it is, that's the thing. We are gonna make our way back, just to prevent us from getting in trouble with security.
But we're not on any
private proper land, no, because private land is that way, like it says there,
and
but this
on the
ain't.
other side of that.
Yeah, so, but oh well, anyway, gonna make our way back, do another intent, maybe, we'll see how it goes, and then yeah, we'll go from there.
Do you know, for all that driving that we've done at the moment, we haven't even done 10 miles yet.
Really?
Yep.
7.6 miles we've only done.
Oh, fucking hell, fuck off, this is where it's brought us.
Where's this?
Who's the stand then?
Oh yeah! Oh bloody hell!
That's the way then. So, last one we just went to. Can't see, completely black. I ain't got my light on me either. Not very tired. But
So last one we did.
it was a bust.
Yeah.
So there you have it, guys. It did scare the hell out of me and my sister when the security alarm went off. We had more busts than what we did correlating intents. We are going to go out and do a bit more Randonautica for you guys. You will probably actually be seeing quite a bit of my sister, quite a bit of my brother, maybe my mum and dad as well, maybe. I'm not 100% sure, but I can tell you my sister for certain definitely will be on the channel a lot more. My brother again possibly, but his face may be blurred out. Hopefully in due time we should be able to start not blurring my brother's face out, but we've just got to try and get him a bit more comfortable with the camera being in his face and being pointed his way. So we are out Friday, we're doing a ghost hunt, so I will also be posting that up. I should have that posted up and uploaded for you guys by Tuesday, reason being I'm fishing the weekend, so I ain't going to be able to do anything the weekend because I'm fishing. So Friday I'm out, Saturday, Sunday I am doing fishing, but I'm going to do the editing on Monday and hopefully post some content for you guys either Tuesday or Wednesday. So hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and I will see you on the next adventure, the next explore, the next ghost hunt, the next Randonautica, the next fishing trip maybe. I don't know. But yeah, until then guys, peace.